welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are, whether you're sitting on a beach, whether you're at your grandma's cottage, whether you are literally on top of a mountain. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today we're going to look at Synthetix because we like Synth token. It's great centralized exchange and it's got some awesome features, and we're going to have a little look at why this bounce could be important. As we can see, it's not just me that thinks this is a really good space to be buying syncs right now. And also just one big thanks to the Mud, Peter Alp, Cara, Jordan Barber, patrons. Thanks for the support. If you want to join the patronage, you're going to get Discord access, a free ebook, and much more. So please do consider that. But yeah, let's crack on with this video. So where to buy Synthetix coin? It looks like Bullish after hitting the bottom. So Syncs is currently literally only $5. It's gone up by 132 in the last 24 hours. And it's been identified that this particular project has been on a free fall since mid-September 2021, and it looks like the bull run did kind of end for this particular project. But really, it's these big, massive 70-80% corrections. That's when you want to be piling back in, following the inflow of money where the smart money is accumulating, and buying more. Because if you believed in this project at $25, why wouldn't you believe in it when it's $5? So Syncs, commonly referred to as just SNX, is a native token cryptocurrency for the Synthetix protocol. To enlighten those hearing about the Synthetix protocol for the first time, it is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that operates as a DEX. So it's super cool. I do like it. And the question is here, should I buy the SNX token today? This is also, it's all subjective, blah-de-blah-de-da. But if you're looking for cryptocurrency that has been on a long-term bearish trend, it seems to have hit the bottom, then the Syncs coin is a good choice. And I really do think that it is also a good choice. So we're going to hop into those juicy charts. Just before we do, please hit that subscribe button, smash the like, leave a comment down below. Just one little subscribe would be amazing, guys. So we're trading at $4.90, ranked 94 right now, 985 million market cap. You can see we have been down 10% over the 30 days, but we are getting those bounces. I mean, over the week we're up 20%, which is really juicy to see. Now, this rectangle I drew out before for you guys between 7.4 and 4.7, I said, this is a good sort of area to start accumulating. And sure, following the FUD that we had from Russia, we would be down in profits effectively, but we've got that bounce back, and we're retesting this resistance level over here at $4.09, which I think is quite important. This very particular $4.09 resistance level, which we're trying to bust back through. You can see on the daily time frame that 20-day moving average, which is creeping back through it now, which is good. It could signify the beginning of an uptrend. Of course, we got rejected at that $7.30 level, which we were explaining that was a possibility, and that next resistance level will be that $10.01 mark. So these are the resistances that we've got here: the 7.4, the 10.1 resistance, and I think it's very unlikely that we're going to lose support again and come down to levels like $2.05. I just don't see that happening. Not for a coin of this strength, not for a coin which has so much purpose and utility behind it. But you can see this massive descending wedge. It just, where's the next particular high going to be? I think we're going to break out of this diagonal resistance soon, and then we're going to start seeing those bigger prices. But what we know is the downside is definitely, the risk, the downside potential is very low. It's probably not going to do that for a very long time. Maybe it'll come down again. If it did that, that would be really bullish. If we get that double bottom and then take a blast to the upside, that would be very nice. So let's go into the smaller time frames. On the 4 hour, we can see that, we're really consolidating now. Really consolidating along this $4.40 to $4.90 range. So we just kind of trading a little bit sideways. As you can see here, we've got this lovely little range that we're playing with. And if we can just keep on trading between this range right here, I think it's likely that we will take a pop to the upside. So I may even have to start accumulating a bit more at this particular price level. Wish I got more at $3.60. I mean, that is an absolute steal. But this is consolidation. It looks very good. On the hourly time frame, we can see we're above those EMAs. We're looking pretty juicy there as well. On the 4 hour, also above that 20-day moving average. So it looks pretty good, guys, and we're not overbought on the RSI. We're staying neutral, but we are missing some trading volume. So we need a bit more volume on that Synthetix token before we can start moving to the upside. So that's about a wrap, really. If you are looking for more content on, news and price analysis, please do subscribe to the channel, because I will be covering both when I can. And yeah, thanks for the support. If you want to become a patron and join this lovely group of people, you can definitely do so. The Discord channel is also something you can access. You can find my Patreon page down in the description below. Price for coffee, you get exclusive one-to-one messaging, an ebook, you get Discord access, and there'll be plenty more as well, which you can thrive from. So if you want to be part of that, do check it out. Price of a coffee, guys, and I'm sure you're splurging much more than just $3 on a coffee every month. So see you in the next video, and shalom. Take care. Peace.